So domain is all the possible x values, and range is all the possible y values on a graph and an equation. And so on the graph here, let's say we have a parabola that looks like this. Then to find the domain, we look on the x-axis and see how far over to the right or to the left it can possibly go. And so for this parabola, it can go infinitely to the right and infinitely to the left. So then that's all real numbers. And that can also be displayed as negative infinity is less than x is less than infinity. And then for the range, you want to see where it goes from the bottom and how far up it could possibly go. So for this one, it reaches that point right there, so it hits the x-axis but goes not below it. And so we would display that as 0 is less than or equal to y, since it touches it, is less than infinity. And you don't have less than or equal to infinity because it can never reach infinity, it can never touch infinity, but you just put that sign instead. And so another example that we could have, instead of the parabola, we can have a line and find the domain and range for that. So let's say, say we had a line that stops at this point here, goes up and out to the right. So that would be a linear function. And so because this is shaded in, like so, and it's not like an open circle, then that means that it touches this point here. So the domain, the least it could be is 1, right here, so 1 less than or equal to x is less than infinity, and it's less than or equal to here because it touches at this 1, as you can see with the solidified circle. And for the range, it would be 1 less than or equal to y, so less than infinity, because it touches this 1 on the y-axis here, and it keeps going up forever because this is just going to keep going. And that's domain and range.